Hi and welcome to a new YouTube video on my channel. Today we'll be playing the last round for 82,000 and we'll be pushing Kaze to 1,000 trophies. So that's 35 trophies in duo showdown. Our teammate is a Byron. Alright. And one team is already Prestige 1. So quite a right start if we can get this cube here still. I have to be a bit careful here, because my teammate's already dead. This cube I'll be waiting for my teammate, because he's already spawned. It would be nice if he could get it. The storm does much more damage after the new update, so I have to be a bit more careful here. Okay, perfect, showdown. Oh, 11 cube. Okay, that would be a second place here now, because I don't think the Byron can do much more. Yeah, he's definitely dead. Or... I'm dead in 1 second. Okay, that's the second place here. No, I do not want to play a game. That's exactly 82k. Perfect. I'm not opening the trophy road yet because I'm saving the credits for Star Nova. Now we only need 25 trophies for Kaze 1k. Our teammate is a Frank this time. 2 prestige. The dynamite looks a bit like a bot. The one with full diamond battle card. Okay, my teammate is not good. Okay, that was very well played by me. So now it's still 29 trophies. And our teammate is a Crow. Doesn't look too bad. We have 4 cubes straight away. 3 here and 1 down there. It's good to try and hit the 3k hits. Perfect. Get 1 more down. Nope. Is it Juju? Juju can't hit you if you stand exactly inside of her, so that's quite overpowered. Okay, I don't know why I didn't reload there, but it took a little bit too long for my reload there. Why is he standing still? 3, 2, 1. Oh, perfect. We should have this. Perfect. I didn't play very well this time, but that's 17 trophies, so it should be 2 more rounds. Okay. Guess he didn't want to play in the end, but that's alright. Matchmaking is taking quite a long time for me being on 970. And here we have it. And we have, who's that? Sandy. Okay, Mortis, we have to be a bit careful. So if he has the... Yeah, he has that gadget. The one that has the spin. Just have to heal a bit. Perhaps when my mate spawns and we can get the mortars together. Perfect, baited his gadget here. Spike can't be a too high power level here. Okay, that was a wasted gadget here. We have to be careful for the last hit from the Juju. I don't know where the other teams are here. Come, Sandy. Perfect. Okay, we can go on. Perfect. 3 teams left now. I get the turret here. Perfect. And that should be the last one now. Perfect. Perhaps the Sandy wants to play. Perfect. And that was very quick matchmaking there. And only 1 cube this time. Perfect. I'll go and get that. Sandy, you can go somewhere else. Okay, I have to move a bit so the spike won't get me here. Okay, my game is lagging a little bit. Okay, it isn't anymore. Oh, I have to be careful for the kick there. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it here. Okay, it's worth a try. I didn't know the kid was in the same team. Perfect. So there's 1 of each team left. So Kid and somebody else still. The Kid can kill us both very easily. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's the last game. Okay, Sandy didn't want to play. Our teammate is a cold here now. Perfect, here's an AFK. Perhaps we can get these 2 cubes as well. Perfect. Perfect. Oh. I have to be a bit careful here. Taking a lot of damage. Get those 2 cubes. Oh, that was good. Oh, I thought it was the spike thing. Okay. Colette is still really overpowered. Then we'll go into the next round, solo showdown, because you get more trophies there. And now it should really be the last round. Okay.
Graceful entrance.
I'll go down here. Okay, I'll go up. Two cubes would be perfect here. No, I don't think I'll go and mess with the Fang. Yeah, you can use the hammer thing to push the vector here a bit. Perfect. Oh, I didn't charge my super. Shouldn't have used it there. Be careful that he doesn't teleport over. The card should be out there. Perfect. And we have to be careful for the recoil.
I spilled the tea, literally.
Heal up before we go in the bush, because there might be someone there. Perfect, top 5. I think top 4, and we've got it. Okay. To hide you for a bit. Perfect. We will still try and get the highest placing possible. The recoil. This spike is very strong here. I think the other one is up there in the bush. Oh, okay, he's down here. Perfect. Couldn't have ended better here. 10,000 damage. Okay, but it's a second place here and Kaze on 1,000 trophies. Ninja is a quite alright title here. The animation is quite nice, but yeah. And it's the 36th prestige here for me. The next one would then be Beyond here. I can still collect the record. Oh, I don't get anything here. It's 100 game plays. And that will be it for today's video. If you liked the video, then consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you next time.